So you might be in this weird situation where for some reason your specific iPhone notifications are delayed. Now what does this mean? Well, basically sometimes a notification can be sent to your iPhone, but it may show that it's like coming in like 5 minutes, or it's like just maybe somebody sent you a notification right now, but you're not getting it until like an hour later. The very first thing you're going to want to do is to make sure that you have some sort of cell signal or Wi-Fi connection or something along those lines in order for those notifications to be sent out to you. Sometimes if you're like in the basement somewhere, you have no cell signal, or if you're on airplane mode, then clearly you're never going to be able to get those notifications. So just make sure that's the case, and that will probably end up fixing the problem for you. Now another thing, this is a big one. You want to make sure that you don't have Do Not Disturb mode on, or if you have Do Not Disturb mode on, you have to understand that sometimes if this is on, certain notifications won't be able to come through. So if you go into Do Not Disturb mode and that's on, so you can go there by swiping down, seeing it right there, or you can also go into your iPhone settings, click on Focus Mode, which is right here, and you want to see Do Not Disturb mode. If you have this on, you can kind of figure out and actually customize which applications you want to have like send you notifications and stuff. But you also want to go ahead and make sure that within these specific apps, the notifications that you want to make sure that you are able to get them, or you can just turn off Do Not Disturb mode, and then you'll basically be able to get those notifications once they are sent to you. On top of that, under notifications right here under settings, you also just want to make sure you have the notifications on inside of these specific things too, because if these are off, well, that's pretty much going to cause some other issues in and of itself. Now, if that still doesn't work, you may just want to see if you have the ability of updating your iPhone. So come back into your iPhone settings, you want to scroll down until you see General, and then you want to go and click on Software Update right up here, and all you're going to want to do is update your specific iPhone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. You can also see if it's a specific application that's causing those delays in notifications, because if it is, you can go inside of your app store like this, click on search, and you can just search for that specific application. So in this case, you can just search up Snapchat or whatever the app is, and you want to see if you can update that application. And for a lot of people, that's probably going to end up fixing it for you. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.